Hey guys, I shot a whole tutorial yesterday showing you how I use the Love Your Curls 3-step system, including getting in the shower, doing the shampoo, conditioner, and then applying this Curl Defining Lotion, which is the step 3. Now, if you see my tutorial from yesterday, you'll see that my hair without any product in it is really big, voluminous, frizzy. So my hair does do this with this one product the next day. I'm gonna show you what I do for my quick 5-minute refresh. And I'll just take our infinity spray bottle, fill it with some water, which I'm doing right now. And I'll just spritz. I don't re-wet my whole hair. I just spritz a little bit of water to reactivate the product. I will spritz it. That's it. I will use a little bit of the same product. That's pretty much it. Rub my hands together. Then I'll scrunch the product into my hair. Now again, if you see, I have some frizz here, some baby hair frizz, which I don't mind, but I won't do a whole head refresh on day 2. Normally on day 3, 4, sometimes 5 even, I will section my hair and refresh in sections, but that's it. I've just reactivated the product using a little bit of water and then applied a tiny bit of the same Curl Defining Lotion, and I'm good to go.